Yung hair ng ating model today dito sa Salon Exclusive product demo dito sa EG Beauty Lounge. Ayan, EG Beauty Lounge. So, ang opening nila this July 25 at 10 a.m. Tama, ma'am, no? So, mangutan na to sa model. Tatanungin natin yung model. Ma'am, giplansya pa yung hair nyo after natin itong ma-wash?
Hindi na po. It's only once lang gi-plan siya. I-wash,
Mm-mm.
then wala na gi-plan siya.
So, kaniron mo ang result, wala na nigiplansya?
Wala na.
Okay. Sarap sa feeling, no, yung nakita natin na satisfied si client sa ating binibigay sa kanya na resulta sa kanyang hair transformation using a hair treatment na nakaka-straighten ng hair. And good morning everyone, this is Miss Yuri, your keratin opti-straight specialist. For today's video, we are here at EG Beauty Lounge located at 3 de Abril, Punta Princesa, Labangon, Cebu City, para sa salon exclusive product demo for Wars Hair Products. And this is the hair of our model before the hair treatment. And prior to the application, nag-wash tayo sa kanyang hair using deep cleansing shampoo, which is the clarifying shampoo. Using clarifying shampoo prior to the treatment helps promote product absorption at nakakatulong din itong matanggal ang mga product build-up na na-accumulate ang ating client dahil sa iba't ibang hair products na ginagamit sa kanilang buhok. So, after washing the hair, kailangan nating i-blow dry 100%. Dry application po tayo sa ating treatment. After the application of the treatment, nag-cover tayo ng plastic sa hair ng ating model for better product absorption and create a microclimate environment na makakatulong makip natin yung moisture na kailangan natin sa hair and prevent hair dehydration. Eto na yung buhok ng ating model after nating mababad for 3 hours and nag-comb through tayo at makikita natin na nag-change na yung behavior pati na yung curl patterns ng buhok ng ating model. We proceed to banlaw, blow dry tayo 100% dry and section by section we slowly activate the treatment using a medium heat temperature sa ating blower. So after ng blow dry, nag-proceed tayo sa thermal reconditioning o yung pag-a-iron ng buhok. Using the right temperature, ito na yung nagiging result after natin ng iron. But hindi pa tayo nagtatapos dito dahil babanlawan natin yung buhok ni client para makita natin on the same day yung totoong result pag si client na ang mag-wash sa kanyang hair sa kanilang bahay. And this is the hair after natin itong mabanlawan. Tuwang-tuwa ang ating model kasi hindi niya ine-expect na ganito pala kaganda ang magiging resulta ng kanyang hair despite na napaka-frizzy at damage ng kanyang buhok. And this is the result. Wala na po itong iron. Hindi rin tayo nag-blow dry using brush. At ito naman ang feedback ng ating model sa kanyang hair after nang siya na yung nagbanlaw sa kanyang buhok. Congratulations EG Beauty Launch, which they will be open tomorrow, July 25 at 10 a.m. So, para sa mga malalapit dyan sa Cebu City, this is your chance kasi nagpo-promo po sila. There will be having a 30% discount sa kanilang Keratin Opti-Straight treatment. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Visit nyo na ang EG Beauty Lounge. This is Miss Yuri with Miss Celine John, your Keratin Opti-Straight specialist. Thank you for watching and follow for more hairdressing tips and tutorials.